If you want to send an email campaign in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently review your campaign and hit send without missing anything important. This is a simple but very useful skill if you're managing newsletters, promotions, announcements, or any kind of email marketing for your business or brand. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Campaigns section. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your email campaigns, drafts, and scheduled messages. Click on Campaigns to open your campaign list. Next, find the campaign you want to send. If you already created your email, you should see it listed there. Click Edit on the campaign you want to send so you can open it and do one final review before sending. This step is important because before you hit send, you always want to double-check the details. Take a moment to review everything from the subject line to the email content, layout, links, images, and audience selection. Make sure the subject line looks correct, the preview text makes sense, and the email body contains the right message. If your campaign includes buttons or links, test them if possible to make sure they go to the correct destination. You should also confirm that the design looks clean and that there are no spelling mistakes or missing sections. Once you're satisfied that everything is ready, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Send. That is the final step that will launch your campaign to your selected audience. Depending on your campaign settings, Mailchimp may ask you to confirm one last time before it goes out. If that happens, review the confirmation carefully and then proceed. After that, your email campaign will begin sending. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email campaign in Mailchimp. It's a quick process once you know where everything is, and the most important part is always taking a moment to review your campaign before sending. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp and marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.